welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing our air filter cleaning. We have a K&N installed on the truck. It's a factory drop-in. So we're going to be using the power clean and the air filter oil. This stuff looks pretty easy to use. I've used it a couple times. Essentially, you're just going to spray this on the air filter, let it sit for a few minutes so it bonds with the dirt, debris, whatever, and then you're going to end up washing it out with fresh water or clean water until there's no more of the power clean residue in it, and then you're going to go ahead and oil the filter once it's dry. Here's the filter installed. It doesn't have too many miles on it, even from the last truck. So we're just going to remove it and then end up putting the cleaning solution on it. It is kind of dirty, so we're going to remove the bugs and all that stuff. Okay, so we've got the filter sprayed down with the cleaner. We're going to let it sit a few minutes, and then we're going to rinse it out. What I wanted to talk about is this Raceme Active Air. It's still a really good system, even though it has these big old restrictions in it and all that stuff. It's got a huge silencer inside of it with foam. Still a good system in the fact that it has this flapper in here which opens up when you're basically wide open throttle. So essentially what happens is wide open throttle, the flapper opens and basically sucks air from this inlet up here, which is right inside the grill, and it's supposed to be like a low pressure area. I also want to mention that this kit is actually from Walmart, and so I didn't realize that they had sold it, but if you're looking for it, you can get it at most of your Walmarts. It's not super expensive. Okay, so we got our filter all washed out, cleaned. It's dry, so we let this sit probably about a day and a half. It wasn't super dirty, but there was definitely some bugs on the that it had sucked up through the intake on the dirty side, which would be this bottom side, which is the turbo is sucking from this side. So this is the part that actually, once it filters through, comes up this side and into the turbo. So we got that clean, sprayed the air filter cleaner on it. Now we're about to oil it. So definitely want to make sure that this thing has no water in it whatsoever. So wipe off the excess, and then try to, it doesn't say to blow it out, but definitely if you're going to use any type of compressed air, hold it pretty far away, maybe blow it out that way, but I wouldn't do it right up next to it. So instructions were to basically spray the air filter cleaner on, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, I think is what it was. I think it was actually 10 minutes. And then rinse it with low pressure water from the clean side out. So you're not trying to push the dirt further back in until there's no cleaning solution residue coming off of it. So we did that, got it dry, and now we're going to oil it so we can put it back in the truck and actually drive the truck around. For oiling, all you're going to do, if you have, they make this in 2 different types, so you can have the aerosol can or the actual oil like this. It's not aerosol, it just has a little like a little nozzle, I guess. What it tells you to do is just on these ridges, you're gonna put a line on each ridge to oil it, and then that'll seep through, and then it wants you to have an even red color to the filter. And then once that's done, that should be it, and then you just go put it back in the truck. So if anybody's wondering, the kit number for this that I got at Walmart was 995050. Like I said, there's another one that is like an aerosol version. I'm not sure which one that is, but that would be the other version. Okay, so we got it oiled. Just make sure there's a nice uniform coat across all the ridges, and then they want you to make sure that there's a nice uniform coat on both sides. So if there's any light areas, like we've got some in different areas, they just want you to oil on both sides and make sure that it's uniform. You want to let this wick for about 20 minutes. So it's only been about 10. We'll come back to it in just a little bit and then put some more oil on it if we need to on either side. All right, so we let our filter sit overnight. It had some spots that looked like they were uneven, and they weren't really wicked in really well. You can kind of see a couple light spots over here, but this is after sitting all night. It's not too bad. I don't even know if I would really recoat this with oil again. I think it'll probably be okay with the amount of oil that we have on it now. So we're gonna go ahead and install this back into the truck, and then should be good to go, and it'll collect dirt and all that stuff for another however many miles we leave it in there. K&N does say that most of their filters normally require cleaning every 50,000 miles. So we've got less than that on this filter, but it still got pretty dirty just because of our environment and where we were driving and stuff like that. Just you drive more off-road, you pick up dirtier air because of dust and stuff like that instead of like just off the road. You probably want to clean this a little bit more. No harm in that. So. Alright guys, that's it. So we've got our air filter installed. It'll serve us for another several thousand miles. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, and continue to follow us for more automotive content. Thanks for watching.